What's up, everybody? As you see, the Amazon parts came in. We got the bobber seat and we got the brake light. So I actually went on and saved this brake light. What I did, I just took it apart and I soldered the wire that came out of the pin, out of this thing, out of the chip, back to the chip, to the motherboard or whatever you want to call it. And I saved it, so we are going to go ahead and just leave that. It's working fine. But I do got another one just in case it does act up or go out. So like I said, the LED license plate light went out on it, but I soldered all that back together. Brake light's working fine. But I did order another one just in case it acts up again. We can mount this new one up if it does. We'll leave it alone until then, and we'll use the what we got. So let's go ahead and put this up for our saved biker parts. Now, let's open this bobber seat. Not sure if I told y'all, but I did order a brown seat. This is going to be temporarily. Not sure what style or colors I'm going with, but here it is right here. Open this up with packaging. Easy little pins right there. They're just going to get mounted in there. There's the seat. Kind of looks cool. Got brown boots, so I thought maybe my brown boots would match with that. Also comes with a little bracket for the seat thing here. So, and then the two springs. There we go. And then the little plate for the seat to get bolted to the bracket. We're gonna go ahead and take this seat back off and take off this rear fender back off, and we'll get it started. All right, everybody, so I just wanted you to see, I do got to customize this bracket here. Does not line up with this 2001 Yamaha. So what I did is kind of laid it on here, and you can see that none of the holes are lining up. So I'm gonna have to drill my own holes, and we'll just line them up with these holes, and then I'll drill the hole instead of using this back one back here. That's supposed to line up with this hole here in the center. But it would have to go way up here under this tank. Let me see if I can hold it. It would have to go all the way up in there in the tank, and even then it has to go some more. Hold on, let me. Even then it would have to go some more. As you see, it just hits the tank here, so I need to like slide it way up here just to get it to line up with this hole down here. And I don't want the seat that high. Even then, the seat's gonna be not enough clearance. It had to be under the gas tank like this, so it was really crazy looking. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our own holes. We're gonna drill them down here, and we're just gonna match them here so I can make new holes in here. And then we'll center this hole right here. Might even bend this back to kind of get it to bounce up just a little bit. And the springs are a whole nother thing here. They came with two washers. So I used one for the bottom of the spring and one for the top of the spring, so it kind of helps the spring stay in place. I just put a washer right there. I put a 12mm deep socket in there, back in here, and I just put it all the way down there and tighten it up. So now we're gonna do the other side. So we got a washer on this side. Gonna lay this right on top. Kind of like use your fingers to slide the washer in there. There we go. After you drop it. So we'll just slide that right in there just like that. Kind of just line it up, kind of move this around as you need to. And then grab grab that deep socket, and I'm gonna go ahead and throw the bolt right in here. There goes the bolt. I'm gonna drop it right in here. And we're just gonna grab this and put it right on there. Actually, it might be easier if you just kind of get it started with your finger. So just slide this in there just like you did the washer. Carefully. And third time's the charm. We'll line it up right on there. Just like that. Grab this deep socket. Sit it right on there. And get it flush on there. There we go. We'll just start the threads. And seat it where you want it. And there we go. Now it's in there pretty good. Just need to tighten them down. So tighten those down. We're gonna get our markings for the holes where we want these. Came with bolts, but it came for bolts that are gonna go across and one bolts are back here. So I'm gonna have to use my own bolts. So we'll do that now. And it did come with a bracket. I already bolted this down to the seat here, and it is adjustable, so you can slide that back or forward, whatever your liking is. So, get all this set up. That's how it's going to look there. So, these bolts in here, and we'll tighten that up. That's how that's going to sit. Now we're going to mount it onto the frame. Like I said, we're going to make our own holes for this. I wasn't recording that, but there's the second level of a drill hole. We're going to go a little bit deeper. Let's test it out. Spill paint all over myself, guys. Mark this up. There we are. There we go. Oh, wrong way. Okay. Just want to step on this bracket, make it a little bit smoother. Just stepping on the crease here, just to get that a little bit flatter. Looks like we got it. Let's see how this fits. Got my own bolts and screws here. Just gonna use my own. A little bit too small. Let's see if these are any good for. Yeah, they fit in there. So I might just want to bend this down some more. Even if I come upward. Got a little bit of sticking up metal here, so we're just going to file this down. Do this one. Alright guys, check it out, check it out. Alright, sorry my camera died, man. I had to go back and pull out the other camera. So here we are, guys. I am done putting it on the bobber seat. Pretty difficult. Like I said, I did have to customize this thing to fit. I had to drill the holes in the front to get those mounted in properly. But we did get it in there pretty good. I mean, the second hardest part was probably getting the bolts and down into these little fittings here. Just gotta wrench it out real slowly, guys. Once you get your fingers in there, let the bolt on there, get it finger started, and then tighten them down. It is easier to get the springs mounted onto the seat, then push them down and slide it wherever you want it. Because remember, this slides here. You can slide it how you need to. But yeah, there it is. Looks really good. I like it a lot. Definitely might look a little bit more aggressive. Check that out. Tell me what you guys think about it. We'll see what else we can do with some brown in there. But let's see how it goes. I like it, guys. Give it a test drive in the morning. It is nighttime right now, so just got off of work and had a soccer practice as well. My daughters did, and just got home to knock this out. All right, guys, like and subscribe if you want to see the next one. Waiting on the speed cable to come in, and that's about it right now. So we'll get some more parts ordered once we get that speed cable installed. See you in the next one.